Do you love taking pictures and videos and sharing them with your friends and family? Well, luckily for you, there's an exciting new app called Foto You. Foto You is a social media app where people can come together to sell or bid on photos and videos that represent them. To do so, users simply log in by creating an account with their email address. Upon sign up, users can choose to follow other users as well as upload their own photos and videos. Users can connect with amazing photographers, bloggers, and other people from around the world. Users can also bid or buy photos and videos as well as sell their own photos, all while earning in-app credits called Stardust. Stardust points allows the users to have more fun with their photos and videos. Users can also buy in-app Stardust points with money to allow them to buy those amazing photos and videos from anyone around the world. When you upload a photo to Foto You, users will decide whether or not they want to allow their photos or videos to be sold. Buy in-app credits or Stardust points to raise money to help end world hunger and to put more food on plates for hungry people. The money will be used to donate food, build hospitals, and build food shelters around the world with Foto You's future partnerships with other beneficial organizations. The Foto You app is a place where you and other people can enjoy expressing yourself through positivity and inspiration. So what are you waiting for? Download the Foto You app to get started today.